St. Thomas residents charged in relation to over $1 million phone theft. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two St. Thomas residents who allegedly stole over $1 million worth of electronic devices from a phone repair store on Queen Street in Morant Bay in the parish on March 10 this year have been charged by the police. Charged with shop breaking, larceny, and receiving stolen property are 41-year-old Ricky Francis, otherwise called Bling, a higgler of Queen Street, Morant Bay, while Andrew Scott, otherwise called Rasta, a 36-year-old higgler of Church Corner, Morant Bay, has been charged with receiving stolen property. Reports are that about 1 p.m., Francis forced open a window at the side of a store and stole 65 cell phones, 2 tablets, 1 cell phone case. He reportedly exited the building using the same window. The stolen items were valued at $1,200,000. On Thursday, June 9, 2022, the police armed with a warrant conducted a search of Francis' home, during which a Galaxy A03 cell phone was reportedly found. Scott was in the company of Francis at the time of the search, was found in possession of the Technos Spark 22 cell phone. Both phones were identified by the complainant as items that were stolen from his shop. Francis and Scott were later charged on June 10, 2022. They are to appear in court on Wednesday, June 15. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.